In this assessment, we're asked to predict the product of the reaction shown. I've gone ahead and redrawn the ketone and the LDA so that we can think mechanistically about how this reaction happens. LDA, as we know, is a really strong base, and the hydrogens at the alpha carbon are acidic, and so this reaction will start by deprotonating, removing one of these alpha hydrogens to make an enolate. This enolate is a strong nucleophile and can do SN2 reactions with primary alkyl halides. And so we can draw in our allylic bromide and show these electrons moving down, pushing out the pi electrons to attack the carbon and displace the bromide, once again in an SN2 reaction. When we do this, the product that we end up with is as follows. Now, we can always check our work by numbering our carbons. So if we call this one carbon 1, that one carbon 2, we'll call this one 3, 4, and 5. We can see that we're making a new bond between 1 and 3. So carbon 1, carbon 2, the new bond to 3. 4 and 5 are part of the alkene. 4 and 5 are part of the alkene. By numbering the carbons, we become convinced that this is, in fact, the product of the reaction.